The bug every time
the solar eclipse is over and the birds came out and are going crazy.
They are nuts.
But every 10 minutes, a new species of bug awakened. You got more bugs, more bugs, more bugs. Then the birds started to wake up. That little whistling bird woke up about 5 minutes ago. Maybe these are the whistling birds.
I don't think these are. I don't know what these are. But man, look at them. Look how close they're getting.
I don't know, the whistling one's a will-o-wisp, I'm pretty sure.
What the heck is that thing, man?
I don't know, but we haven't heard that since the eclipse.
Yeah, that's a cicada.
Cicada? What's
cicada?
What is a cicada?
It's those big nasty things that the kittens eat.
They leave their shells behind.
Things that kittens like to eat. Oh, yeah. No.
That way